Attention, all heavenly angels.
And fiendish ghouls.
The best Halloween party of the Triad
Will be at the Saints and Sinners
Saints and Sinners.
Halloween Bash.
this Saturday, October 30th,
At Booma's.
off Haynes Mall Boulevard in Winston-Salem.
Featuring a $500 costume contest.
Blood bar and ghoulish drink specials.
Dance to the hottest club music, Laser Light Show, and video mixes in town.
DJ Baldy, get your pulse pounding from 9 p.m. to 11. And DJ Renee takes the stage from 11 to close with an opening performance so shocking you have to witness it live. For details, visit facebook.com/Sheet at Boomers. Don't miss out.
On the Saints and Sinners
Halloween Bash.
Victims must be at least 21 to enter. Admission free before 11. This is another 722 entertainment event.